This is how you can change the MAC address of the network card of your system. And do you know why it is required to change the MAC address? Let's understand this in a better way. Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, InfoTech. In this video series, we will talk about Parrot OS, its features and some of the utilities of Parrot OS. In today's video, we are starting with macchanger utility tool. In our previous video, we explored the steps to install Parrot OS and ensure it's up to date. Once you successfully logged into Parrot OS, the next step is to open the terminal. You have two options to gain super user privileges. You can either log in as root, or use the sudo command to execute commands with administrative rights. Type macchanger help to check all the available option with macchanger command line. S, to show the MAC address of the specified device. R, to set random vendor MAC of any kind. P, to reset to original, permanent hardware MAC, or M, to set the MAC address manually. In order to use macchanger tool, first check for your network interfaces by using ifconfig command. It's a powerful tool. It is used to configure network interfaces. You can use it to display all or any specific network interfaces, enable or disable an interface, set IP address, net mask, etc. By using -s you can check the current MAC address of the specified interface. And to change the or to set random MAC address, use -r. By using ifconfig command first down the specified interface, then only change the MAC address. And start the network interface again. Why to change the MAC address? The macchanger utility tool in Parrot OS is used to change or spoof the MAC, media access control, address of a network interface. This can be useful for various purposes, such as 1. Anonymizing your connection. By changing your MAC address, you can make it harder for network administrators to track your device. 2. Bypassing MAC address filters. Some networks restrict access based on MAC addresses. Changing your MAC address can help you gain access to such networks. 3. Testing and development. It can be used to test network configurations and behaviors under different MAC addresses. Changing the MAC address can enhance security for several reasons. 1. Privacy protection. Anonymity. By frequently changing your MAC address, you can make it more difficult for network administrators, hackers, or advertisers to track your device and online activities. 2. Bypassing restrictions. Network filters. Some networks use MAC address filtering to allow or block devices. Changing your MAC address can help you bypass these filters and gain access to restricted networks. 3. Preventing tracking. Physical location. Public Wi-Fi networks can track devices based on their MAC addresses. Changing your MAC address reduces the risk of being tracked across different locations. 4. Enhancing security measures. Mitigating attacks. Changing your MAC address can help protect against certain types of network attacks, such as ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, spoofing, by making it harder for attackers to target your device specifically. While changing your MAC address can improve privacy and security, it's important to use this practice ethically and responsibly. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials in the world of cybersecurity, Linux, Windows, and antivirus reviews, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Together, we can navigate the digital world safely and smartly. Thanks for watching, and stay cyber safe. If you haven't installed the macchanger utility on your system yet, simply follow the commands demonstrated in the video to download and install it. Also, it's important to ensure you're using the latest version of macchanger for optimal performance and security. Make sure to update it before use.
If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel InfoTech, and press the bell icon to receive the notification whenever we upload a new video. In the comment, suggest to us more antivirus tests that you want. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.